Hi, my name's Todd, and on behalf of ExpertVillage, today I'm going to show you how to make stovetop popcorn. So here we are. We've popped some popcorn. It's done. Poured it in our bowl here. But remember, this popcorn, when we popped it, was completely plain. So tasting it right now, tastes good. A little bland. Let's add a little bit of salt to the mix here. Now with salt, you don't want to add too much. Just enough to give it a little bite. Make sure you pour it in. Stir the corn around to get what was on the bottom to the top. Pour a little more in. Try that. That's good. Now if you also have butter, you can add that. You can add other things like Tony Chachere's seasoning salt, things of that nature. Whatever you like. Caramel. The beautiful thing about popping stovetop is that you can make it whatever you want. Be creative. Bye.